In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up a company file in QuickBooks. We'll do this by exporting your data from QuickBooks Online to Excel, which gives you a snapshot you can store outside of QuickBooks for safekeeping. This is especially helpful before making major changes, closing a period, or sharing data with an accountant. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign in to your company. Once you're looking at your dashboard, head to the Settings menu. You'll find it as the small gear icon in the upper right corner. Click that to open the menu. From the options that appear, choose Export Data. This takes you to the export page where you control exactly what gets included in your backup. Think of this page as your control center for the snapshot you're about to create. Here, set the date range. If you want a full historical backup, choose all dates so you capture everything available. If you only need a specific period, say, last quarter, use Custom and select the start and end dates that match your needs. Below the date range, review the sections for reports and lists. Reports typically include key financial statements like the profit and loss and balance sheet, along with transaction-level detail depending on what you choose. Lists include your customers, vendors, chart of accounts, products and services, and other master data. You can usually expand each item and adjust columns, so the export contains the information that's most useful to you. If your goal is a clean archive, include the core financial reports and the main lists. If you're troubleshooting or preparing for analysis, add detailed or transaction-level options where available. When your selections look good, click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will prepare your files, which may take a moment if you've chosen a large date range or many items. Your browser will then download one or more Excel files and sometimes a compressed folder containing multiple spreadsheets. If you don't see the download, check your browser's downloads area or ensure pop-ups aren't being blocked. After the export completes, give your files a clear name that includes your company and the date, and store them in a secure location. It's a good idea to keep a simple versioning system, like year, month, day, so you can quickly tell which backup is the most recent. For peace of mind, consider keeping a secondary copy in a secure, access-controlled location and avoid sharing these files over unsecured channels, since they can contain sensitive financial information. Finally, build a regular habit, weekly, monthly, or at period end, so your backups stay current.